Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to buy a H&M gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to H&M. So it's going to be www.2.hm.com. This is the official website for H&M. And now from here, they don't make it easy to find gift cards. So what we need to do is do a manual search at the top of the page. So I'm going to head up, I'm going to click onto the search and type in gift cards and then hit enter. It says it can't, so you might need to do gift card and then click on gift cards. There we go. Yep, so on the gift card page here. And now from here, choose your gift card. For some reason, I cannot purchase gift cards. So it might be a bug on the website, but this is definitely where you need to go to purchase a gift card, because you got gift cards on the left here. If I go ahead and click on gift cards, it's just going to show us how to check our balance. So yeah, I think this is a bug. So if you're watching this video down the track, please let me know in the comments if it actually works, if they fixed it. So yeah, just type in search gift cards, and then this is where you need to purchase your gift card. If it still doesn't work, what we can do is head on over to Google, type in H&M gift cards, and then just choose from one of the top results, and you can purchase a gift card from there. So I'm in Australia, so it's going to send me on my Google search results, it's going to be from prezi.com.au, and I can get a H&M gift card for a value between $5 and $250, and go through the process of, if I need to wrap it, send it to whoever, preview, pay. Yeah, so that's a workaround if it doesn't work, as in you can't buy the gift card from the H&M website themselves.